Facing power on-off issues with your Panasonic TV can be quite frustrating, especially when you're eager to enjoy your favorite show. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll explore how to fix power on-off issues in Panasonic TV with a step-by-step approach. We'll walk you through solutions that range from basic troubleshooting to more technical fixes. So if you're experiencing problems with your Panasonic TV's power functions, stick around as we dive into the potential solutions. Step 1. Check power sources. Before delving into more complex solutions, ensure that your TV's power source is not the culprit. Start by checking if the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. If the connection seems fine, try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. Sometimes power strips or surge protectors can be faulty, so plugging the TV directly into the wall can help identify where the problem lies. This simple step often reveals the root cause if your Panasonic TV is experiencing power issues. Step 2. Power cycle your TV. Power cycling is a quick and effective method to resolve minor glitches that might be causing power issues. To power cycle your Panasonic TV, disconnect it from the power source and wait about 30 seconds. This brief downtime allows any residual charge to dissipate and resets the TV's components. After 30 seconds have passed, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This process can often fix many power-related problems without further intervention. Step 3. Examine the remote control. Sometimes the power on-off issue could be stemming from the remote control rather than the TV itself. First, ensure the batteries in the remote are not depleted. Replace them if necessary. If the remote's buttons are sticking or not responding, they may need cleaning or repair. Try turning the TV on or off using the physical button on the set itself to rule out the remote as the source of the problem. Step 4. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can also cause power problems with your Panasonic TV. Ensuring your TV's software is up to date can help eliminate glitches. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV and look for the option to update the firmware. If a new version is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping the firmware current can not only resolve present power issues, but also improve the TV's overall performance. Step 5. Inspect internal components. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing power issues, there may be a problem with the internal components of the TV. In some cases, capacitors or other circuitry may be faulty. While this requires more technical intervention, it's advisable to contact a professional technician or Panasonic support for help rather than opening the TV yourself, which could void your warranty or cause additional damage if done incorrectly. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you should be able to resolve most power on-off issues with your Panasonic TV. From checking power connections and cycling the power to examining your remote and updating firmware, these practical solutions are designed to tackle common problems with ease. If none of these work, seeking professional help is advisable. Remember, a little troubleshooting can go a long way toward restoring your TV to working order. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing once your Panasonic TV is back up and running.